everybody, welcome back to the grocery haul. So we went to Walmart, we did a mobile order today and picked it up. Adrian was revving up the four-wheeler. I look kind of fancy and wearing this little thing because today it was school pictures. Mom's over there on her phone.
I was looking.
She doesn't feel good. She has a cold.
I look horrible. Don't look at me.
She does not look horrible. So before we start this grocery haul, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn the post notifications on for all of my mom's newest videos.
Yeah.
Let's get straight into it. Guys, look how beautiful she is.
No, I'm not beautiful. I look ugly right now.
So pretty, Mommy. Okay, guys, so we're starting over here. We didn't even ask for these, and they gave us 2 mega packs of bacon bits.
Yeah, I was looking to see if I ordered them, but I cannot find them on there anywhere.
And then they gave us a book and a pen.
Yeah.
Isn't that so cute?
Uh-huh.
We have a 8-pack of macaroni and cheese.
We wanted
Kraft.
the Velveeta. They did a substitution.
It's okay. It'll still be good. We have like 1, 2, 3, 6 cans of the small tomato sauces. Then we have 2 of the bigger tomato sauces. Back here we have a beef broth. Petite tomatoes. We have 2 of those. We have beef broth. Onion powder. Down there we have tomato paste.
And that was a substitution because I wanted the smaller can, but they must have been out.
4 cans of chili beans. And then Mom has right here the bow tie noodles.
And she overlooked the sugar that was behind there.
And the sugar, guys.
And y'all, I thought I was getting 1 package of napkins and I got 2. But hey, that's good. We use a lot of napkins. Okay.
We have some Worcestershire. 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese.
This is the sweet Hawaiian, y'all.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. Okay, so we have, these are our non-food items, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, those are my cough drops.
Cherry honey.
I like this cherry honey Ricola.
We have paper plates, guys.
Got 2 bulk packages of those.
We have some immune support.
It's like that emergency stuff, so I'm going to drink some of that in a little bit. My friend Monique told me about that.
Some Sensodyne.
That's the toothpaste I use.
We have 4 bottles of paint because we have been running out of paint. We have one black, 1 gray, and 2 white. Over here we have some home-style mashed potatoes, some baby red mashed potatoes, some roasted garlic mashed potatoes.
And look, y'all, they gave me this one because they were out of that one. So they gave me the big one.
Ooh.
For the price of the little one.
So we have some traditional Prego because if you don't know, if you're original, you know this is what Mom loves.
I love it.
Some mayonnaise. We have some provolone cheese.
Provolone cheese. That's for a recipe.
We have 3 cans of chicken broth back there, guys. Some bananas back there. We have chicken fries.
These are so good, y'all, in the air fryer.
We have some garlic knots up there.
Garlic knots.
Some crinkle cut fries.
Me and Adrian's favorite. I wish I
Some
got 2
pumpkin
now.
delights.
This was a substitution. I was getting a 4-pack of the lemon pudding, and that's what they gave me.
We have unicorn tattoos.
Oh wow, you can tattoo yourself now.
Mommy's gonna like that. So, yeah, we have some toaster strudels because we love toaster strudels. We have 2 bell peppers, some hamburger buns, and some trash bags. I think that's all. So, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn post notifications on for all of my mom's newest videos.
Thank y'all for watching.
And we'll see y'all next time.
See you on Friday.
Bye.